Now, let's move on to the next problem. We have a couple of more problems which are based on direct equations. After that, we'll move on to word problems. Now, look at this. I guess it was Pushpal who was asking me last time that whether we only have the variable x or can it be something else. In this question, he has just changed the variable x to the variable p. I told you it can be anything. All right. So do not get confused about how variables are changing. Just focus on solving it. This question does not have fractions. You're only going to get everything in a form of a linear equation and then try to isolate p. Guys, start solving.
So, just now we did a equation, right, which has fractions. So, is that a linear equation or not?
Which one, Priscilla?
The previous one, the fractions one.
See, the linear equation means the idea is to get only one value of x. The equation can be in any form. Linear equation is when you plot a graph, it is a straight line and you get only one value of x. If you remember in the last class, I have explained all the reasons behind it. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes. So the idea is to get only one answer of the variable.
Okay, sir.
And when you substitute that answer in the, I'll show the question. 1 second, Pushpal. And when you substitute the value of x in the original equation, it should be equal. It should satisfy. That is the entire idea of linear equations. Now I'm showing the screen, guys. Start solving. So it's the same thing. Each term has to be multiplied with both of them. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12p, plus 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 30p, 5 into 6, and minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Now look, over here, it was minus 5 into 6p minus 1. So it was, I could have written minus of 30p minus 5 and then opened it again to write 30p plus 5. This is the same thing that I'm getting here. So I'm just trying to eliminate this extra step for the signs. But if you guys want to be really sure, it's okay if you put in that step. Okay, so over here we have 12p plus 8 minus 30p plus 5. The LHS is clear. Now let's look at the RHS. It is 2p minus 16 minus 42p plus 24 plus 4p. Now let's try to solve the like terms. Take the like terms together. This is plus 12 and minus 30. So we have minus 18p. Plus 8 and plus 5 is plus 13. The LHS is clear. Now let's isolate the RHS terms. We have 2p, 42p and this. So minus 42p plus 2p plus 4p is going to give us minus 36p. And let's solve the constants. Minus 16 plus 24 is plus 8. Is everything clear till here? So now the idea is to get all the isolate p because that is what we're trying to find over here. So if I move minus 36p to the left hand side, it becomes plus 36. So we have minus 18p plus 36p is equal to 8p. And if I move minus 13 to the other side, I get minus 13. Plus 13 to the other side, I get minus 13. So now 18p equal to minus 5. Multiplication was the operation. It went there to the right hand side. It got divided. So the value of p is minus 5 by 18. You guys get the answer?